Hi, Max. Do I have your toy? It's a bunny. You want it? Can you sit? Good girl. Get it. Good catch. Can you give it back? I'll take it. Maybe not. Give your toy. Oh, got it. You want it? Get it. Good girl. Good girl. You should belong to the Yankees. Definitely not the Mets. They suck. Huh. Give me your toy. Good girl. Get it. Oh, no catch. Give me. Give Mommy the toy. Oh, I got it. Get it. Good girl. Good baby.